This video will be a setup and review of the Yolink water leak sensor 4-pack with the hub. Okay, so due to the little kiddos in the house, we've had a few water issues in one of the bathrooms. So I decided I probably wanted to get some sensors installed, so hopefully we can nip it in the bud. So let's open this thing up and see what it takes to get it all connected. So first of all, there's the hub, and we have 4 of these sensors right here. Alright, let's open up, I'm going to start with the sensor. She's running kind of tight. It's actually kind of heavy. Okay, so there's the thank you for purchasing. If you have problems, give us a call. Add device. So it uses a QR code and of course an app. Probably need to install the app and turn on the screen recording. Okay, screen recording is going on now, so let's hit the camera. Oh, I got the Apple one. Try that again. Come on now. Take 2. Come on. So Yolink's the app. Okay, it's going through the Google Play Store, which is good. And got decent reviews, actually. Let's go ahead and install that real quick. Now I'll probably have to set up an account too, so I got to do some of that blurry stuff, I'm sure. Open. Sign up for an account. Email. I'm gonna blur that for sure. Actually, no, I'll just pause it right there. Then it's gonna ask for username and create a password. Sign up for an account. Okay, so it's asking me to tap to scan the QR code on the device. Then you can add it to your account. I wonder if I should start with the hub. I don't know. Let's give it a try. On devices, favorites. Oh, a quick little tour, I guess. View and execute your favorites. Smart. View and edit smart scene. View and edit scene or automation. Manage rooms. Message alerts. Quick start guide. Hub support. Documentation. Videos. That's actually pretty nice. They have their own videos on how to set it up. Cool. Button. This time. Okay. Name the room. I'll just say bathroom. Under sink. I'm going to put one underneath the sink. Save. Favorite. Find device. Okay, so it's been added. Press the set button once, battery supplied, and it will join the internet. Alright, so next, oh, it's got the battery in it already. Okay, says I successfully added it. Shows offline. Device detail. Let me go ahead and do the hub next. That's probably the more important piece here. Okay. Okay, so let's open up this box here. There we go. Here's the directions to the hub. And it looks like it can do Ethernet cable going to the router, and it will do Wi-Fi as well. Alright, so to add the device, oh, it actually has an Ethernet cable. You know what? I'm going to do Ethernet. Okay, there's a USB cable, Ethernet cable, and a little power plug. Kind of like the idea of just going through Ethernet with this would probably be way easier than Wi-Fi. Let's give that a shot. Okay, so plug everything in. Ethernet cable. Power cable. And my router actually happens to be right here on the desk, so I'm going to reach over and plug that in real quick and knock my modem over. Whoops. Alright, now I need to plug this guy in. Well, not much cordage. Okay, so now I have everything plugged in, and I'm going the easy route, which for me is wired. See activity going on there, got power, got the set button here. So now let's go ahead and join that. It's going right over there. Okay, so press this. Now it's looking for the device. I'm gonna do it sideways. Okay. Asking me to bind the device. Been bound. Added. It's online. There we go. I think I'm going to delete this. Yeah, let's just delete it. I'm going to re-add that. Okay, so now we're going to add this device. So press this, press that, there we go, leak sensor, bathroom sink, wait, just needs sink, save, room, add, bathroom, 1, create, success, bathroom 1, save it, bind device, okay, done. So that shows us online. So now, being the curious kind of person that I am, I want to see if it works. So, what have I got here that I can force water on? Alright, so, there we go. Hey look, it's water dripping. And looky there, it says it's wet. Close. Okay, so it's still sending the notification there. So let me see what options I have here. Edit, devices, sync. Not much there. Rooms, settings, alarm strategies. Oh, okay. So here's where we can set our alarm notifications, and I probably ought to get that out of the water. Clean up on aisle 1. Clean up on aisle 1. Oh, that's good. Put the leak detector. That's working. Alright, you're fired. Okay, let's see what we got here for alarm strategies. Just simply want to go here, settings, alarm strategies, app, email, send email. So I guess you can set up different emails for it to go to. Send SMS. Trigger action. Okay, I'm going to pause it and poke around here for a minute. Okay, to set up SMS messaging, you have to go into settings, account, and then of course you've got to input your phone number there, and no, you can't see that, and submit your phone number. Okay, now it's going to send a code to your phone, and you'll have to input that, 145424. Okay, so now it's updating the phone number. Your mobile number has been updated. So now under alarm strategies, I should be able to go in there and do SMS as well. So let's do SMS, none, admin. So you get 15 of these a month for free. Guess I'll do that too. Save. Action. So it looks like it should give me a notification on the app itself too. I don't know what that is. Okay, anyway, set that back on top of the water there, see what happens. Not enough water. I have some over here off screen. Okay, so now it's sent the text as it should. I thought the app would alert you. So, under our alarm strategies for default, I'm going to go up here to action. Send app notification, admin. Oh, and then select notification settings. Critical appears on the lock screen, so I want that. System ringtone. What's it say on tip? Specify the ringtone. So I do alert. Okay. Save. Close everything out right here. Alright, see what happens. I'm not getting an app notification. Okay, so it's not getting app notifications, and it looks like by default notifications are turned off. So to get your notifications, at least on an Android, I mean there's multiple ways to do it, but the way I'm going to do it is press and hold the icon here. Come on now. And then hit the little information button here, and as you can see my notifications are blocked. So I'm going to put allow notifications. And this one I want everything because it's kind of important, right? So back, back. All right, try it one more time. Let's see what happens here. There's the notification. There we go. So I almost don't need this. The SMS text thing, probably not as much needed since it comes through on the app. Okay, so I've gone through how to add one, how to add the hub, how to change your notifications. Let's go ahead and add one more. There's 4 here, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and add another one real quick. Okay, so press the set button, right? Then we're gonna go here and select add. It's just actually right here. This will allow it to scan that. This will be by the commode. Save. The room, bathroom 1. Save that. Click on favorite so it'll show on the screen. Bind device, don't forget to bind it. There we go. Close. Done. And now let's just do them all. So I wonder if there's an easy way to ID these. Yeah, of course there is. Boom. Okay, that one's going to go by the commode. And the other one's going to go by the sink. Alright, so I'm going to go put these in place, which will be like for you. I'll put them in their place. The bathroom that I have these 2 in is upstairs, opposite corner of the house. So I was a little concerned about Wi-Fi, but it looks as though it's getting signal. So hopefully that's all good. So the reason why I went with this brand, let me tell you that. This is not any paid endorsement. I did not even get it for free. Not even, I didn't get it for free. So I'm paid for this. And one of the reasons why I went with it is, so anyway, one of the reasons why I went with this brand is, well, this looked like one of the better systems out there. I like that it'll give you notifications through the app, through email, through SMS text. And also, I'd like to add a garage door kit. I currently have a Genie garage door opener, and I have one of those keypad openers for outside the house. And that thing is Genie branded even, and it's awful. It's terrible. It's like 1 out of 10 times that thing will open the garage door. So in the future, I will probably be adding some of this stuff. And of course, if I do, you'll see it here on 2 Keys Studio. So thank you for watching. Oh, my final review on it. So my final review is, I like how easy this is to set up. It's got some really good options on it. I went through it without looking at any documentation pretty much. I just winged it, and it's set up. The only I got you was my notifications turned off for the app itself, and I had to go turn that on. And I didn't hit the set button on that one when I went to put it on. So anyway, and then the hub. So the order of operations is put the hub on first, and then start putting these on. Make sure you hit the set button on the back side of it, and everything should work just fine. And again, I just used my wired network cable here because it was easy to set up. It just made it super easy to do. I'm sure the Wi-Fi is just fine too. Oh, and that's another thing. I didn't have to punch in any Wi-Fi settings by using the cable at all. Not even for these. Typically, you'll have to go in and do your Wi-Fi setup, but I did not. So that's really nice. That is really, really nice using the cable. Okay, so anyway, super easy to set up, especially if you use a network cable. I highly recommend it. And if I add other accessories on here later on, of course, I will make video of it and throw them out here for you. So for today, that's all I got. Thank you and have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. Okay, so one thing I missed, and I know you were going to say something about it, is replacing the batteries. So to replace the batteries, first of all, it's AAA batteries. There's 2 of them in these little guys. So all you do is go in here and peel off these little feet, like so. And inside there is where the screws are at. They're cleverly hidden in the feet. These are not stuck on. They just fit in there real tight. So pop those off, unscrew it, replace the 2 AAA batteries, and you're good to go again.